Jiangsu Zhepai Import and Export Company Limited, set up in 2018, specializing in the exporting new generation of green environmental-friendly electric vehicles, which had become a professional foreign trade company engaged in import and export trade, cooperative production, and other business operations. Our company mainly produces all kinds of electric tricycle for the elder and passenger, electric four-wheel vehicles, construction trunk, cargo tricycles, disabled scooter, tricycle frame, vehicle plastic parts, and other products. Our company has a strong technical team with rich professional knowledge and practical experience of senior technical personnel, more than 50, but also has a number of high-quality management personnel, sophisticated equipment, advanced technology, strict quality management, testing means complete, after-sales service, 24 hours telephone welcome. Assembly workshop adopts assembly line production. High degree of mechanization, greatly shorten the assembly time. Our electric tricycle produced by our company sells well in US, East Europe, India, Bangladesh, and the Middle East and other countries. Our company have first-class products, perfect after-sales service. We sincerely welcome dealers around, part wholesalers, and electric car counterparts call to negotiate hanging. We are committed to providing customers with the highest quality service and hope to establish a long-term, stable, and harmonious strategic partnership with our customers to create a bright future for the electric tricycle industry.
Our factory mainly produces high-grade electric tricycle, four-wheeler, scooter, and so on. Welcome to visit our factory.